Henry Evans is tucking himself in for the first time in 10 years. Evans became quadriplegic and mute after suffering a stroke in 2003. He now has limited use of only one finger. Evans is using a computer interface to control a uniquely specialized robot, one that has the ability to feel its way through tasks with a sense of touch.
Henry, what did you think of the robot with tactile skin when we tested it with you?
Speaking via text-to-voice software over a computer, Evans recalls his first physical interaction with the robot.
With the touch-sensitive skin, I could feel the robot keeping contact forces low, but still in constant pursuit of its goal. I felt immediately that it wouldn't hurt me, but rather it seemed aware of my presence as it went about its business.
Designer Charlie Kemp, an associate professor at Georgia Tech, says most robots are built to work on factory production lines rather than interact safely with humans. So he looked to nature to make robots more human-friendly.
Biological organisms, animals, insects, they have tactile sensing over their whole bodies. Their entire body is sensitive to touch. And robots haven't had that capability. So one of the first things we need is we need to give robots the sensor, not just eyes, not just ears, but skin.
And it's this robot's artificial skin that sets it apart, allowing it to feel its way through designated tasks. The sensors on the skin feed back to a computer program which models the environment and the arm's orientation within it.
The robot, at every moment in time, it makes a simple model of its arm and the arm's contact with the world. And using that model, it makes predictions about what will happen if I move this way, what will happen if I move this way. And then, based on some clever mathematics, it says, this is the best thing I can do to move close to my goal while keeping the forces low.
And Kemp says keeping forces low is the key to successful human interaction. The arm is flexible, much like a human's, and as it comes in contact with obstacles, it gauges how much pressure to apply to reach its goal without damaging its surroundings. Kemp says his team are now in the process of upgrading their robot by giving it the ability to map and explore new environments. He says there's still a lot of research ahead, but he believes that this type of technology will one day dramatically improve the quality of life for people like Henry Evans.